So a few items will add to the cost when you are renovating a home. So for example, when you look at this window, if you see they are black window will cost quite a bit more than the white regular window. Okay, now there was one more thing on this home is, of course, when you have the double door here and you are opening both sides and sliding to the double, that costs you more than just a regular one side as a French door. And the additional thing on these windows is will add a little bit more to the cost. If you notice, these windows are, you open here, and then in here is the good old-fashioned way, which is you open the window that way. So that is a little bit more costly. Now, the other one, it will add to your cost when you look at all of these recessed lighting. That does cost you more than just having a couple of lights coming down like these ones right here. So here it goes with the closet and the closet organizer. So let me share with you. So in this closet, as you can see, what they have done doors, which that cost you more than just doing shelf. They also done the open shelf here. They done the half and half, so you're able to do short and short on the bottom. And they came here and did the long dresses. So when it comes to closet organizer, it is depending on how many square feet, how many doors you have like this, how many shelf you have, and that will be quite a bit of costly. And when I say costly, you're going into a few thousands of dollars in just this little closet, okay? I'm gonna show you the smaller closet. So here is the smaller closet. So if this closet would have just had the bar and the shelf, that comes as a standard, okay? What they done here, they did those two built in, and they actually did the doors again. So when you add, this is more material, the handles, and that is add to your cost. But then you end up with a beautiful, organized, you can fit a lot more clothes in it. You really do have a couple of options when it comes to closet. If you are a handyman, then your best bet, you can go to Home Depot and they do have boxes assembled to a 5 feet, 10 feet, and then a handyman would come in. Is not gonna be exactly to your closet, but it would be a bit less expensive. Or you go to the companies, the one they actually have a person will come measure and do it according to how many shelf you need, how many shoe brackets you need to have, and that's where the cost gets to be a little bit more. The more you look into, do I want to do that in my own home? Or do I want to spend the money when I'm buying a home on those easier, organized, beautiful things to have? Love you guys.